So we often hear that I don't like sales, I hate sales. And there's one thing that you need to understand. You don't need to sell, you need to spark. So selling means that you're actually showing up and you're going, here's this thing, don't you want to buy it? Look at it, yeah, you want to buy it. You don't want to do that. What we want to do is we actually want to connect. We want to spark conversation. We want to spark excitement. We want to spark enthusiasm. We want to spark influence, right? And inspiration and motivation. We want to spark an idea. We want things to happen when we show up in the room. So instead of thinking about showing up and positioning your product or your service, what it is that you have, as a selling point, think of it as a spark. This is the first initiation of things to come. Once you spark something, then there's fire, there's beauty, there is a growth of something. You think about having a child, and I have 6, so I can really talk about this actually. So you think about giving birth to a child, and it's usually a spark that happens between two individuals that brings that union together, that creates this individual on the other end, right? This human being. How amazing and beautiful that is. How amazing and beautiful it is that two people can meet and spark a human life to the world. How amazing is that? I want you to think about your product and your service in that same way. I want you to think about the way that you can actually spark someone else's growth. You can spark a new idea and the development of something. You can spark the life of someone else. It's really truthfully amazing that you have the unique ability, we all do, with our skills and our talents, to spark and create something in someone else's life and help them reach a goal that they want to attain. It's truly amazing. So I don't want you to think about selling anymore. That's not what you do. What you do is you spark, you initiate fire, you initiate growth. And together, you end up bringing something beautiful into this world. My name is Jessica. I go by Jawspeaks. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more tips and tricks from me, you can definitely click on the link somewhere here in the description, or you can DM me with your questions. Jawspeaks Digital.